Instant pain or other symptoms relief using ingredients that are commonly found in most kitchens. Headache relief, crush peppermint leaves or use peppermint oil to apply on temples to soothe headaches. Toothache relief, mix a small amount of salt with warm water and rinse your mouth with it to soothe the toothache. Nausea relief, ginger tea, ginger ale, or ginger candies can help ease nausea. Muscle pain relief, mix a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of honey in warm water to make a soothing paste. Apply the paste to the affected area to reduce muscle pain. Sore throat relief, gargle with warm salt water, 1 teaspoon salt and 8 ounces of water to relieve sore throat. Cough relief, drink warm honey lemon water or add honey to hot tea to soothe the cough. Burn relief, apply aloe vera gel to the affected area to soothe burns and promote healing. Bloating relief, drink warm ginger tea to help reduce bloating and soothe an upset stomach. Indigestion relief, drink a cup of warm chamomile tea to soothe indigestion. Insomnia relief, drink warm milk or chamomile tea to help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Joint pain relief, mix a tablespoon of turmeric powder with warm milk to make a soothing drink that can help reduce joint pain. Menstrual cramp relief, apply a heating pad or warm towel to the lower abdomen to help ease menstrual cramps. Anxiety relief, drink a cup of chamomile tea or green tea to help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Nervousness relief, eat a banana or drink a glass of warm milk to help calm nerves and reduce nervousness. Cold and flu relief, drink warm lemon and honey water or ginger tea to help soothe cold and flu symptoms. Earache relief, use a few drops of warm garlic oil in the affected ear to help relieve earache. Heartburn relief, drink a glass of warm water with a teaspoon of baking soda to help neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn. Constipation relief, drink warm lemon water or prune juice to help promote bowel movements and relieve constipation. Acne relief, apply a mixture of honey and cinnamon to affected areas to help reduce inflammation and soothe acne.